자, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Very
How are
good.
you?
I'm good. Now, this is some animals. So, you choose one. Okay, one animal. 자. Very good. Okay. Now, who are these animals? Who are these animals? Okay, please come in. This animal. Please come in. This is team one. Yes. Who are these animals? Who are these animals? 자, sit in her. Team three. Who are these animals? 자, team two. Okay. What's the day today?
Today is Saturday.
Okay. Who wants to write on the chalkboard? Notebook, please come in. Please write about this. Thank you very much. Sit down. Now listen to this music. Okay. What do you think about this music? This video? Animals. Very good. Okay, now see this picture, this movie. Okay. What do you think about this video? Where does it live? Where does it live? Where does animal live? Okay, you think? 자, 어쩌래? Very good. Where does it live?
In water.
Water. Very good. Water. 자, 술 만들 때가 되면 자, what do you think today's lesson? What do you think today's lesson? Okay, today's topic is page 113. Page 113. Unit 8. Unit 8. Lesson 1, land and water animal. Land and water animals. Land and water animals. Very good. Please read land.
Land.
And water animals.
And water animals.
Very good. Okay, now please say, please read.
Long. Long.
Long. What is it?
Big.
Very good. Big.
Big. Small.
Small.
Small.
Good. What is it?
Short.
Short.
Short.
Short.
Short.
Good. Okay, now, new words. Marmot.
Marmot.
Marmot.
Marmot.
Marmot.
Marmot.
Good. Eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Okay. What animal is it? What animal? What's Mongolian?
Zara.
Shark.
Shark.
Shark.
Shark.
Shark.
Shark.
Good. Whale.
Whale.
Whale.
Whale.
Whale.
Whale.
What is it?
Whale.
Whale. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Very good. What animal? What's Mongolian?
Raccoon.
Very good. There. 자. Marmot.
Marmot.
Marmot.
Marmot.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Shark.
Shark.
Shark.
Shark.
Whale.
Whale.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Very good. Now, girls, stand up. Girls, stand up. Repeat after me. Marmot.
Marmot.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Shark.
Shark.
Whale.
Whale.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Very good. Thank you. Sit down. Now, boys, stand up. Marmot.
Marmot.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Shark.
Shark.
Whale.
Whale.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Thank you very much. Let's sit down. 자, Please write in your notebook. Please write.
Yeah.
Finished?
Yes.
자. Okay. Please say long.
Long.
Long.
Long.
Marmot is long or short? Long or short?
Short.
Short. Who wants to match these words with these animals? Who wants to match? What does it mean? Very good. Zerko, Zafar, please come in. Did you finish writing?
Yes.
I need 6 students. I need 6 former students. Matching. Zah, please come in. Small. Which one is small? Head. Thank you very much. Okay. Short marmot.
Short marmot.
Big eagle.
Big eagle.
Small hedgehog.
Small hedgehog.
Long shark.
Long shark.
Long whale.
Long whale.
Small squirrel.
Small squirrel.
Very good. Okay, now. Now think. Think. Document. Which one is long? Which animal is long?
Whale.
Well, very good. Okay, now today we are going to learn about compare animal. Compare. 2 things compare. Okay. The whale is longer than what is
Squirrel.
squirrel. Repeat after me. The whale is longer than squirrel. 자, the whale is longer than squirrel. Very good. 자, which animal is bigger? Bigger.
Eagle.
자, today's grammar. Listen go. Listen go. The subject. What does subject mean? Within. To be adjective. What is adjective? Adjective subject. Very good. Examples. Please read.
The hedgehog is smaller than the eagle.
Very good.
The whale is bigger than the marmot. The squirrel is shorter than the eagle. The whale is longer than the squirrel.
Very good. Okay. This is the hedgehog. Hedgehog is
Subject
to be
is
adjective
smaller
smaller than subject. Eagle. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now I put some animals in your desks. I put some animals in your desks. Now you write sentence about the animals. Okay? Do you understand? Write sentence like this example. 자, take one by one. 자, you have 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes. Write sentence. Now you have 1 minute. Finish. Okay. Finish.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now the squirrel is smaller than time's up. Time's up. Stop writing. Stop writing. Now, who wants to read? Please read. How many sentences did you write? How many sentences? 3? 3 sentences? Just 1 sentence. Please read. That's awesome. Every student read 1 sentence. 자, 복습적 때리고 들어주세요.
The marmot is smaller than the eagle.
Very good.
The whale is longer than the squirrel.
Very good. Thank you.
The marmot is smaller than the whale.
Very good. Thank you.
The eagle is stronger than the whale.
Excellent. Very good. In Hujung.
The cat is longer than
Hedgehog. Very good. Thank you. Tall.
The whale is longer than the shark.
Very good. Victoria.
The whale is stronger than the man.
우리 사람.
The eagle is bigger than the bird.
Very good. Silent Irvin.
The hedgehog is smaller than the shark.
Very good.
The shark is bigger than the eagle.
Very good. Thank you. Atsurum.
The shark is bigger than the marmot.
Very good. Excellent. Irkımel.
The marmot is smaller than the eagle.
Marmot.
Marmot is smaller than the eagle.
Marmot is smaller than the eagle. Okay, next. Angel.
The shark is stronger than the marmot.
Very good. Thank you very much. Very good. Okay, now. Okay, now. You have, I put some animals under the desks. Under the desks. I put some animals under the desks. Very good. Okay, do you have? Yeah, thank you. Now, look, all students look at me. All students look at me. Act role play. Do role play, each group. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. You see. Hello, my name is Fox. Hi, my name is Dog. I'm bigger than you. Yeah, I'm smaller than you. Goodbye. Bye. Okay, like this. You have 4 minutes. You have 4 minutes. See you later. Okay, finish?
Yes.
Which team is first? Which team is first? Whose team is first? Please come in. Stand in there. Wait. Shh. Listen to them. Listen to them.
Hello, I'm Sheep. What's your name?
Hello, my name's Doc.
I'm bigger than you.
Yes, I'm smaller than you.
Bye. See you later.
See you later.
Next. Which team is next one? Second. Please come in.
Hi, hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine. I am smaller than you.
Oh yes, I am bigger than you.
Okay, goodbye. See you later.
See you later.
Very good. Thank you. Next, please come in.
Hi, my name is Bill. What's your name?
My name is Sheep.
I am bigger than you.
Yes, I am smaller than you.
Bye. See you later. See you later.
Very good. Thank you. Next in. Now look at this.
What does the fox say? Hello, good morning. Good morning. What's your name? My name is Fox. What's your name? My name is Peter. I bigger than you. I shorter than you.
You good singing, I like.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you
Very
later.
good. Very good. Thank you very much. Now look at that bird. Look at that bird. Example. What is this? Is the marmot bigger than the shark? What sentence? Is it positive, negative, question? Which one? Positive sentence or negative or question?
Question.
Very good. Question. Is the marmot bigger than the shark? Can you translate?
Yes.
Okay. What's Mongolian? Okay, the marmot is bigger than the shark. Yes or no?
No.
Very good. Now, okay. Now, write question like this example. Is the marmot bigger than the shark? Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, please write. You write at least 3 sentences. Use today's adjectives: short, big, small, long. 4 adjectives.
Finish.
Okay. You have 1 minute. 1 minute.
Finish. B.
Okay, now stop writing. Stop writing. Stop writing. Please read question. You are check her. You should check her. No, check. You want to check.
Is the whale smaller than the shark?
Very good. Sit down next, students.
Is the eagle bigger than the shark?
Good. Okay. Please loud. Loud. Loud.
I did.
No, please.
Is the shark smaller than the squirrel?
Very good. Thank you. Bob, please read.
The whale is smaller than the marmot.
Very good. Babam, please read.
Is the shark longer than the hedgehog?
Very good. Thank you. Uncle, please read.
Is the eagle bigger than the marmot?
Very good. Thank you. Terku, please read.
Is the bear bigger than the dog?
Very good. Thank you. Next. Who's next? Atsun, please read.
Is the eagle bigger than the shark?
Very good. Sırtı please read.
Is the marmot bigger than the shark?
Very good. Thank you. Gözde, please read.
Is the marmot smaller than the eagle?
Very good. Thank you. Nandi, please stand up, read.
Is the hedgehog bigger than the eagle?
Very good. Next. İlpucum.
Is the marmot longer than the shark?
Very good. Thank you. Next. Who's next? İhtiyar, please.
Is the shark smaller than the marmot?
Very good. Thank you. Who's next? Who's next? Mundu, please read.
Is the squirrel bigger than the eagle?
Can you read again? Can you read again?
Is the squirrel bigger than the eagle?
Yes or no?
No.
No?
Is
Can you say again?
Is the squirrel bigger than the eagle?
Is the squirrel bigger than the eagle? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, very good. Thank you. Okay, you pay attention. Is the animal name, right? Then you adjective, big, small, sharp. Then the is very important. The is very important. Then again, what is it? Subject animal. Very good. Okay. Thank you so much. Now I ask animal, all students. Okay. Stand up. This group. No, just this group. Please say name. What animal is it? Eagle. Thank you. Sit down. Shark. Very good. Sit down.
marmot.
Very good. Sit down. Very good. Thank you. Stand up. Stand up, all students. Excellent. Sit down. Squirrel. Thank you very much. Sit down. Good. Very good. Thank you. Stand up. Squirrel.
Eagle.
Hedgehog. Very good. Eagle. Good. Shark. Very good. Sit down. Marmot. Very good. Stand up. Shark. Marmot. Very good. Sit down. Squirrel. Very good. Hedgehog. Thank you so much. Okay. What did you learn today? What did you learn today?
Animal.
자, animal. Very good. Animal. What animal did you learn? How many animals?
Six.
Six animals. Very good. Thank you. Homework. For homework, write 5 sentences. Write 5 sentences about animal and adjectives. Write 5 sentences about animal's name. Did you write about homework?
Yes. Finish.
Finish?
Finish.
Okay. 자, look this. 자, 잠깐만. Thank you so much. Today's lesson finished.
Yes.